everyone. My name is Quentin Chen. Today the title of my story is The Alarm Clock. Kevin was late again. He arrived half an hour late for school. It was the third time in a week. I'm sorry, sir. I always late, said Kevin to the teacher. What you need is an alarm clock, said the teacher. So Kevin bought an alarm clock. The next morning, the loud bell of the alarm clock woke Kevin up with a start. That's great, today I won't be late, he shouted happily. He quickly got dressed and ran to school. I'm 20 minutes early today, said Kevin to the teacher. Well done, his teacher said. But it is Saturday, there is no school today. How embarrassed Kevin was, thank you.